In light of Pyongyang's growing nuclear and ballistic missile threat, emergency planners in Hawaii, the closest U.S. state to North Korea, are reactivating a decades-old nuclear warning siren. The system, which was designed to alert residents of a Soviet nuclear attack during the Cold War, is being reinstated for the first time since the 1980s. Joonhee has the story.
Hawaii is one of the world's top holiday destinations, renowned for its luxury resorts and its beautiful and serene natural landscape. But the calm was disturbed last Friday as the state's emergency authorities sounded off a nuclear attack warning siren for the first time in nearly 30 years. It was part of a test that'll be repeated every month from now on, alongside a public service announcement urging people to stay indoors and take shelter.
The basic guidance, again, if you hear this, is get inside, and stay tuned. Now, it sounds simple, but when you have that short a time, about 12 minutes after we get the notification, 12, 13 minutes, that is about all you can do.
Although North Korea was not mentioned specifically, a spokesperson for Hawaii's Emergency Management Agency said the system was being reactivated in light of Pyongyang's recent missile tests. Another agency spokesperson said 18,000 people would be killed outright and tens of thousands more would be injured in the event of a 150-kiloton warhead being detonated on Oahu, the most populated island in Hawaii. Early analysis from North Korea's ICBM test on Wednesday estimates its range at over 10,000 kilometers, putting Hawaii well within its crosshairs. On December 1st, the sirens will sound all across the islands once again, to a mix of worries and reassurances for the residents. Joonhee, Arirang News.